In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Open up Instagram, head to the bottom right corner and click on your profile. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Account Center, go down a bit and click on Accounts above Add More Accounts. Click on Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, choose your account, and make sure Delete Account is selected. Click Continue. Give a reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. And here you can choose if you want to download your information, copy your information, or keep your account and deactivate instead. And continue. Type in your password. And here you can click Delete Account. After you've clicked this button, your Instagram account will successfully be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.